Today is having the moon. Today's moon. The moon is having a impartial eclipse, a lunar eclipse. Yeah, it's March 3 here. We missed the we have missed the red blood moon a while ago because we're stuck in traffic. We only have the partial now. Yeah, that's it. That's a good view of the moon. Yeah, hope we can land someday. Yeah, there. Yeah, we will return again, right? Yeah, yeah, bye bye, bye bye.